before we begin, we have a gift for you, judges. Please don't touch this. We will come to this later. Can I use respect? Respect. Thank you.
We take this back. Watch.
Camera.
You know, tonight I want to share with you a trick which uses 3 cards. So we have the 3 of clubs, the ace of clubs, and the 2 of clubs. With these 3 cards, tonight we're going to do something unexpected. So we take the ace of clubs, correct? The ace of clubs plays far left. So there's the 2 and there's the 3. So we take the 2, place deep center, and the 3 far right. So there's the A, there's the 2, and there's the 3, correct? If you are betting, where would you bet the A is? Left, center, or right? Bet, where's the A? No, just point, where's the A? Left, center, or right? You want the A to be here? You are correct, it is here? You know, the 2 actually jump here, but I want to try this one more time, but this time we're not gonna use 3 cards because this is pretty confusing. So I will move this down to just 2 cards, you know, not the 2 of clubs. So we eliminate the 2 of clubs, so we're gonna move this down to just the A and the 3. What's the A? Pay close attention, watch. Is the A on top or the bottom? Top or bottom?
Yes,
Top.
top.
Top, yeah. You might be correct. However, you are wrong. Because the A is always where you least expect it, to the far left. But tonight we want to end our journey, not with 3 cards, not with 2 cards, but with just 1 card. Sir, would you mind helping my friend here on the stairs? Would you mind him?
See, all the cards are different, fitted to different cards and fitted to different choices. So, can you put your hand like this? Yeah. You have to choose 1 card from this deck. Any cards. Yes, any cards. So show it to the camera and the audience. It is a random card. So,
guys,
there's no way
we could have known that you're going to pick the 6 of hearts. Before we begin, we give you a poster. Inside this poster, there's something very interesting. So would you mind holding that card? Please hold it. With this hand, yeah? No. This one, hold it. Put your hand in the pocket. Yeah, correct. Hold it properly. So I'll show this to camera. You could see if we roll down, it says King Illusionist, our group name. A little more roll down, you could see it's the poster of user. A little more roll down, you could see your hand is being stressed. Holding 1 card, ladies and gentlemen, not this dash card, is the 6 of hearts.
Sadananda is holding 6 of hearts and it is printed. Oh my God. How do you feel?
Over, yeah.
I don't know what to tell you. Actually, it's an illusion. And they have already papered my picture with the 6 of heart, but it's really wonderful. Give them a big hand, please, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, King Illusionist. And let's see how much marks you scored from our 3 jury members. We begin with Sadananda, who is grinning because you have made...
We also have something. You could see the audience are shouting Paktre because we are speaking English. Seth. When we speak English, the audience will shout Paktre.
Oh, that's very interesting. Okay, let's see how much mark you got. Can you stand on the stage? We'll see. Okay, from Sadananda. Jury.